Hi, and welcome. I'm Andrew Chrostowski, Chairman and CEO of RealWear. Thanks to all of you for joining today's very special event that we are calling Look Forward. It's all about engaging, empowering, and elevating the frontline worker for the future of work. Looking back in late 2017, we launched the flagship RealWear HMT-1 assisted reality device. We saw the opportunity to focus on the industrial customer in the wearable space. We needed to create and importantly scale enterprise solutions as part of the digital transformation movement. Today, we see the acceleration of digital transformation on the future of work, especially since the pandemic. We are honored to be an integral part of this movement. Now, we have all heard of augmented reality or virtual reality, but assisted reality is designed specifically for a frontline worker who requires both hands for the job. Today, just like a knowledge worker, frontline workers benefit from access to information in real time to complete a task. Assisted reality strikes the perfect balance of keeping you 100% present and self-aware in the real world, giving you the ability to safely navigate your surroundings. After all, nobody wants to be near hazardous equipment with your head stuck in the metaverse. Our customers are seeing amazing results with our technology, such as productivity increases, cost savings, carbon footprint reduction, and much more. And now looking forward, I am very excited to announce our next generation assisted reality device, RealWear Navigator 500. And now, please welcome Sanjay Jhawar, co-founder and chief strategy officer, who's going to tell you everything about our latest innovation in assisted reality. Sanjay?
Thank you, Andrew. So let's drill down. We've barely scratched the surface to equip and empower the more than 100 million frontline industrial workers globally. When developing our second generation product, we worked closely with our customers and listened to their feedback. With RealWear Navigator 500, we have built an innovative platform solution that's a winning combination of hardware, software, and cloud-ready services that delivers the following: hands-free full shift use, a revolutionary modular design, unparalleled collaboration, and a seamless and secure enterprise experience. Now, let's power ahead and take a closer look at some of these great features. RealWear Navigator 500 enhances safety whilst freeing your hands to operate potentially hazardous equipment, drive forklifts, climb ladders, and anything to get the job done. Compared to our prior generation, it's 1/3 lighter and 1/3 slimmer for an enhanced ergonomic fit. It has an improved voice control experience, now in 17 languages including different dialects. Voice control works flawlessly in even more extreme high noise environments, now up to 100 decibels. The battery has been upgraded to be truly hot swappable for continuous work. And there's a big performance improvement with a new Qualcomm Snapdragon chip. So let's hear from one of those key partners, Qualcomm.
Hello, and thank you for having me at your launch event for the RealWear Navigator 500 product. My name is Saeed Bakadir, and I'm responsible for XR business and platforms at Qualcomm Technologies. Over 5 years ago, we began working with RealWear on what would eventually become the flagship HMT-1, a truly unique and revolutionary device for industrial frontline workers such as warehousing, manufacturing, healthcare, aerospace, and many other enterprise segments. During the past year and a half, assisted reality devices such as RealWear's continue to offer a valuable alternative to face-to-face interactions with use cases like remote assistant for guided workflow, trainings, mentoring, and many other, especially given the current global pandemic situation. Our two companies have collaborated on initiatives like the Qualcomm XR Enterprise Program with a goal to expand the ecosystem and build compelling solutions from different partners. We are so excited to see the RealWear Navigator 500 launch, powered by Snapdragon platform, and look forward to seeing how different businesses and industries take advantage of its advancement in increased computation, field of view, higher resolution cameras, its modular hardware approach, and much more. Thank you very much, and again, congratulations to the RealWear team, its partners, and the entire XR industry.
One of the biggest innovations of RealWear Navigator 500 is the modular design. A revolutionary and patented design allows you to upgrade critical components at the rapid pace of innovation without having to invest in a whole fleet changeout, reducing total cost of ownership. It's our modern toolkit, so I'll actually put on some PPE and take it out of my toolbox. This is the new best-in-class tool for the modern industrial worker. This delivers on-the-job agility and adaptability. The RealWear Navigator 500 allows you to swap out your camera, hot swap your battery, upgrade your connectivity solution, and many more options will be offered in the future thanks to this unique platform. Connecting the frontline worker with the remote expertise needed to guide them through complex tasks is critical for job success and employee satisfaction. Our stunning 48 megapixel camera sensor built into the RealWear Navigator 500 delivers an even better collaboration experience. It's fully optimized for low light performance, taking incredibly detailed photos and videos, even in candlelight under 10 lux. This is a situation often faced by frontline workers. The camera also includes an enhanced zoom in the new telephoto mode, allowing a frontline worker to magnify their image more than 6 times while still maintaining high definition. To provide our customers with the latest in camera innovation, the modular design allows you to easily swap in new camera modules in the future, such as thermal and visible fused imagery, a handheld inspection camera, and multispectral. This will truly unlock the value of modularity, and we are really excited about it. Coming out of the pandemic, our customers shared with us that collaboration with optimized applications such as Zoom, WebEx Expert on Demand, TeamViewer, LibreStream, Oculavis, Microsoft Teams, and many others has allowed them to save travel time, save costs, reduce equipment downtime, and carbon footprint. So now let's hear from our key partner, Microsoft.
As an organization who supports empowering frontline workers, we couldn't be more thrilled about being asked to participate in RealWear's exciting Look Forward launch event. Looking forward, we are 100% on board about the potential of RealWear Navigator 500 running on Teams and with other Microsoft products. This is truly game-changing and further advances our joint vision. With more than 2 billion frontline workers globally in industries like manufacturing, automotive, and logistics, our collaboration with RealWear has been essential to meeting the needs of frontline workers and to help realize the future of hybrid work for everybody. Teams for frontline workers has grown tremendously, thanks to partners like RealWear highlighting opportunities to extend digital transformation to the front lines everywhere. And this is just the beginning of the future of work and our collaboration. RealWear Navigator's 500 HD camera, voice-controlled UX, and revolutionary modular design make it a great choice for our customers. Capturing videos, collaborating, sharing documents, and integrating more broadly with Microsoft 365 using RealWear's Cloud Sync is going to create incredible opportunities for customers to innovate and solve real-world problems without needing to use their hands. With the launch of RealWear Navigator 500, a frontline worker coupled with teams using OneDrive, workers can keep their hands free for the task while collaborating and sharing with remote experts or knowledge workers exactly what they're seeing in real time. We understand how important it is to keep sensitive data secure. And because RealWear devices are now supported by Microsoft Endpoint Manager, organizations can set them up based on their needs for either shared or single use, while also applying protection for added data security and management using Microsoft Intune. Customers like Mars Pet Care, Honeywell, and Goodyear, and many others are seeing tremendous value in our solution. It is definitely time to look forward. Best of luck to the RealWear team. Let's do this.
Our product was designed from day one to be enterprise ready. Best of all, our solution reduces time and friction to get RealWear devices deployed, configured, and managed, all while meeting corporate security protocols. With RealWear Cloud, our modern scalable cloud architecture, enterprises now have multiple options for single sign-on and multi-factor authentication, including the RealWear smartphone companion app and our voice keyboard. In addition, corporate IT can centrally control, deploy, and manage devices and analyze device usage patterns. RealWear Navigator 500 is compatible with enterprise mobility management, such as Intune, which is part of Microsoft Endpoint Manager. It also works with Workspace ONE from VMware and SOTI's Mobi Control and many others. We are proud to have a catalog of more than 200 Android applications optimized by our partner ecosystem, with use cases such as guided workflow by TeamViewer, virtual inspections by LibreStream and AMA ExpertEye, hands-free data visualization and work guidance by PTC ThingWorx and Vuforia Instruct, and AI-enabled object recognition with IBM's Inspector Wearable, among others. So now let's hear from our partner TeamViewer and their excitement about RealWear Navigator 500.
Hi there, and thank you so much for inviting us to participate at the RealWear Navigator 500 launch event. This is really another huge moment for RealWear and the entire industry as we navigate the complexities of the new reality for frontline workers. I'm Jan Juncker from TeamViewer, and I'm the Executive Vice President responsible for solution delivery for our customers. TeamViewer is focused on providing software solutions that digitalize workplaces for frontline workers, which is driven by accelerating collaboration and workflow processes. Our growing team has partnered with RealWear from the very beginning, and so it's very exciting to now see how we've both grown with the industry and are making an impact for our customers on the front lines, both from a productivity and a safety perspective. Our focus on digitizing workplaces aligns perfectly with the continued evolution and vision of RealWear assisted reality products. The innovations found in the HMT-1 were already significant. Today's launch of RealWear Navigator 500 is another major design achievement after we've already had great success with HMT-1. For warehouse picking, for example, Coca-Cola Hellenic Bottling Company has already deployed more than 500 RealWear devices being used 24/7 across more than 20 sites in 20 countries and in 30 languages. The RealWear Navigator 500 will provide an even better camera experience with the ability to scan barcodes even faster than before. Also, hot swapping batteries for full shift usage will be much more seamless. In addition, the device being more lightweight will significantly improve worker experience, especially when wearing the device 8 hours a day every day, as roughly 1,000 workers at Coca-Cola are doing, for example. And Coca-Cola is just one example. There are of course many more with a whole range of use cases. As a matter of fact, Coca-Cola itself is also doing remote support and maintenance, as are many other customers at large scale, like BMW or Kronos. Our success with all those customers will continue to grow based on the new possibilities. The modular design approach of the RealWear Navigator 500 perfectly supports our vision to enable all frontline workers with our solutions, no matter what the exact use case is, be it picking, assembly, inspection, healthcare, or remote assistance work. Just like TeamViewer Frontline, which is highly configurable to support all those use cases, now also the RealWear device can be optimized towards the exact use case and customer requirements. The future is about digitally assisting frontline workers dynamically based on their location and what they do and see. We are well on our way. Congratulations to RealWear on the RealWear Navigator 500 launch.
RealWear Navigator 500 is compatible with a growing variety of device mounting options serving even more industries and use cases. None of this could have been possible without an intense focus on industrial design. How does one maintain rugged certifications while making it 1/3 lighter and thinner, further improving ergonomics and performance while also adding modularity? We took a minimalist approach. We removed all excess non-critical materials such as the rubberized coating and instead used a special hardened material. To add modularity, which typically would add additional weight, our team worked hard to miniaturize all electronic components, including all airspace between each and every component. We focused on maintaining the IP66 dust and waterproof rating with a special cover, even when the camera is removed. To keep the device cool, we designed the product to diffuse heat evenly by adding a tactile grip detail to the camera that doubles as a thermal dissipation fin. We're excited about our next generation solution, enabling frontline workers to experience hands-free full shift use, a revolutionary modular design, unparalleled collaboration, and a seamless, secure enterprise experience. In summary, we spent 4 years listening to and understanding our customers and their specific needs in order to build on the success of the HMT-1 and set up a refined platform that will remain best in class for years to come. And now, Andrew, back to you.
Thanks, Sanjay. Great overview. The future of work is all about staying engaged, empowered, and elevated throughout the day. Our product is the ideal digital companion for the frontline worker during the shift and for all the tasks being tackled. Here is an example in the day of the life of a frontline worker at an open-cut gold mine, demonstrating how our solution can make your workforce more productive using RealWear Navigator 500 throughout their entire shift.
If you were to fly to Perth, Western Australia, the most isolated capital city in the world, then drive 6 hours inland towards the central deserts, you'd arrive here in the mining town of Kalgoorlie. My name is Cameron Stevens from RealWear. Join me in one of the most rugged and remote environments on Earth as I show you how companies all over the world are using the latest in assisted reality technology. This is the RealWear Navigator 500. Before I head off to the first work task of the day, I'm going to do a vehicle pre-start inspection. Best part of all, no paperwork. My camera, record video. Vehicle pre-start inspections are mandatory in the mining industry. Completing them using assisted reality saves me time and keeps me safe. I'm now on my way to a gold mine with extremely loud machinery and strict safety regulations. I'll be completing a number of high-value inspection and maintenance tasks. So we're now here on the mine site and I've been tasked to do an inspection on the DPI 1500 drill rig. Come follow me. Back in Perth, 400 miles away, the engineers need photos of the drilling assembly and a check on the rig's electrical system. And I've saved the engineers a full day's travel. These inspections require detailed documentation and evidence for compliance. Zoom level 3. Take photo. So we've identified a fault and I'm going to call Clint live to see if he can give me some live troubleshooting assistance. Call Clint.
Hey Cam.
Hey Clint, it's Cam at the mine. Yeah, look, I've got a problem with this switchgear here, and there's a fuse that keeps tripping, this one up here.
Oh, I see it.
Would you mind just sending me this schematic in chat?
Sending now, mate.
All right, thanks. I'll be back in touch with you soon. I'm now leaving the mine site and will head to the workshop to do a supply chain audit for the logistics manager. My next task for today is to take a photo of a data plate on a forklift inside this shed with low light conditions. Okay, we're now into the shed. You can see the lighting conditions have changed. As we move up to the data plate on the forklift, we'll see the camera compensate, zoom level 3, take photo, zoom level 1, navigate home. With this final task complete, the logistics team can now finish their maintenance schedule. I've now completed my day, which started with a pre-start vehicle check, followed by a drill rig inspection and a maintenance support call. We finished off with an equipment audit, all completed hands-free with RealWear. Thanks for joining me today. It was my pleasure showing you how companies all over the world engage, empower and elevate modern industrial workers with the RealWear Navigator 500.
In closing, RealWear is very excited that our solution supports the new reality of the future of work. Thank you to the entire RealWear team, as well as our ecosystem of partners, for all the hard work to bring this solution to market. RealWear's vision is, simply put, real. The technology of the future is here today. We're excited that we're now shipping the next generation of industrial strength assisted reality. With that, we look forward to the opportunity to engage, empower, and elevate the modern frontline workforce. Is it time for your company to accelerate its digital transformation and look forward to the benefits of a connected workforce? Thank you for joining us.